Wanna export from Pakistan? Here's how to find customers. Are you hustling in Pakistan, building a business, making a product? You got the fire, I know it. Now, are you thinking bigger? Thinking about taking your goods global? You should be. Exporting isn't just good for your bottom line, it's good for Pakistan. It's about showing the world what we're capable of. Look, I get it. Finding customers overseas, it's a whole different ballgame. Where do you even start? How do you connect with people who are thousands of miles away? Trust me, it's possible, and it's happening right now. Pakistani businesses are killing it in the export game. You can too. This ain't some theoretical lecture. I'm breaking down the exact strategies I'd use, the platforms I'd leverage to find customers and build an export powerhouse. No BS, just actionable advice to get you in the game. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's unlock your export potential. This is your time, Pakistan. Let's go. This is online directories, your export goldmine. First up, online directories. These are gold mines, pure and simple. Think about it. If you were looking for a specific product or service in a new city, what's the first thing you'd do? You'd Google it, right? Same principle applies here. Every country has online business directories. Think yellow pages, but for the digital age. Let's say you're in the leather goods business. Jump on Google, search leather goods directory, target country. Boom! You've got a list of potential buyers, their contact info, everything. Don't overthink this. This is about putting in the work, building your list, and start reaching out. And don't limit yourself to just one directory per country. Dig deeper. Find industry-specific directories, trade associations, anything that puts you in front of the right eyes. The more targeted your search, the higher quality leads you'll find. Remember, clarity over cleverness. This is about hustle, my friends. Building an export business takes work, but it's worth it. Don't get discouraged if you don't land a deal right away. Keep refining your list, keep reaching out, and keep providing value. The results will come. Social media, your export marketing weapon. Look, I love social media as much as the next guy, but let's be real. You're not going to build a sustainable export business just by posting on Instagram. You need a website. It's 2023, people. If you're serious about exporting, you need a digital storefront. It's about credibility. Think about it from a buyer's perspective. Would you rather order from a company with a website and a clear online presence, or someone who's just DMing you product photos? But that doesn't mean social media isn't a powerful tool. Use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and especially LinkedIn to connect with potential buyers, industry influencers, and other businesses in your niche. Engage with their content, share your expertise, and build relationships. Don't sleep on platforms like Alibaba and other B2B marketplaces. These are designed specifically for connecting buyers and sellers on a global scale. Get your products listed, optimize your profiles, and use their built-in marketing tools to reach a wider audience. Remember, social media is all about providing value and building relationships. Don't just spam people with sales pitches. Share valuable content, engage in conversations, and become a trusted resource in your industry. That's how you build a loyal following that converts into customers. Listen up, because this is where things get real. Trade shows. These are game changers. Yeah, they require an investment, time, money, energy, but the payoff, invaluable. Imagine being face-to-face with thousands of potential buyers, all hungry for products like yours. That's the power of a trade show. Now, you can't just show up with a stack of brochures and expect miracles. You got to bring your A game, create an eye-catching booth, showcase your best products, and have a clear elevator pitch ready. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a story. You're selling Pakistani excellence. And don't be afraid to network your face off. Talk to everyone, other exhibitors, industry experts, even your competitors. You never know where your next lead will come from. Trade shows are about building relationships, and sometimes those relationships take time to develop. Don't get discouraged if you don't walk away with a stack of orders. Collect business cards, follow up with leads, and nurture those connections. Trade shows are just the beginning of the conversation. Look, sometimes you need to bring in the big guns. Agents and distributors, they're already plugged into the markets you want to reach. They have the connections, the expertise, and the distribution networks to get your products in front of the right buyers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gary, doesn't that cut into my profits? Sure it might. But you're paying for access, for expertise, for someone who can open doors that you might not even know exist. Think of it as an investment, not an expense. But don't just partner with the first agent or distributor who comes knocking. Do your due diligence. Research their track record, their network, their understanding of your target market. And don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, this is a partnership. You need to find someone who aligns with your values, who understands your vision, and who's committed to your success. When you find the right partner, it's magic. Yo, don't sleep on the resources available right here in Pakistan. The government wants you to succeed in the export game. Why? Because when you win, Pakistan wins. Simple as that. The Export Promotion Bureau, TDAP, Chambers of Commerce. These organizations are here to support you. They offer guidance, resources, and even financial assistance to help you take your business global. Attend their workshops, connect with their trade officers, and stay informed about the latest export regulations and opportunities. Knowledge is power, and these organizations are here to empower you. Listen, exporting isn't easy. It takes guts, it takes hustle, and it takes a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards are massive, not just for you, but for the entire nation. So go out there, make Pakistan proud, and show the world what you're made of. Look, I've given you the blueprint, the strategies, the mindset. Now it's on you to execute. Remember, success in the export game, it's not about luck, it's about hustle. It's about putting in the work, day in and day out. You got questions? Hit me up in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going. I'm here to support you every step of the way. This is about building something bigger than ourselves. It's about putting Pakistan on the map. Now go out there, dominate the export game, and make your dreams a reality. And never forget, Pakistan Zindabad.